I run a franchise currently, a jewellery franchise with my wife, and we got a 5-year-old daughter and a little golden retriever. So it's a busy household. I haven't really got any profession, I haven't trained in anything. I've just done franchising for coming up to 16 years. So I've just been running a business with that. So I wanted to be managing of another franchise, so I seen Revive and that was perfect. It ticked all the boxes. Heard about Revive through doing a quick quote, and there was no one in our area because we needed some repair on our car. And then I did a little bit of research and found that there was no one to fix our car that I could trust. So that's why I got in touch with Revive. It was the management side. I didn't want to be out on the road because I'm colourblind. I didn't really think it was for me doing spraying. So I wanted to manage the team and grow the technicians up to whatever we can get to. And the franchise for me is already a brand. You're buying into the brand. You've got a network of support instead of slogging it out on your own. So straight away you've got an advantage. So that's why I like the franchise idea. No, the support has been excellent. Even compared to the franchise I've already got, it's second to none. Got all the support we've needed, and if we ever need any help, we just pick up the phone. It's brilliant. The support and the training, we've had all the different modules from health and safety to managing people, because I've never employed before. That was really helpful. So we can know what we're talking about in a way, and we know where we're going to lead our team. It was really good, the recruitment. The adverts went out and we had a good response. We had quite a few inquiries. So even to get the CV database built up, so we've got some in the background if we need to recruit again. So yeah, really helpful, really good. I enjoyed the technical training. It was a good couple of days learning what our technicians are going to go through on a daily basis, and even going out to see some of the jobs that we're going to get coming in to quote. It was good process. I suppose the main challenges are the quoting process, because I'm not from that background. It's just learning what we can and can't do. So that's been the biggest challenge, knowing what is out of scope. I don't want to send the technicians out or quote a job that's completely out of our price range and scope of work. I'm hoping to enjoy a bit of more free time, I guess. At the beginning it's going to be a lot of hard work, but just being able to manage the day-to-day running of the business from home is going to be ideal for us. Our short-term plan is to build up a good customer base and keep our 2 initial techs busy, and then hopefully grow up to 3 or 4 technicians, and then long-term I'd like to have a static unit eventually and do like a rapid repair centre. I'd say do it, definitely do it. It took us a while to get the finance in place to get it done, but we'd have done it sooner if we could have. It's like I say, the support is there. You're not going to be left in the dark with anything. It's brilliant.